In this video I will show how to use application for converting YAML file um, to LaTeX tables. You can see on my computer I have different YAML files. I can double click on it to open into YAML viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of YAML file, and you can see it contains information about states, state name, code, region, subregion. And also this viewer allow me to export into different format like Excel, Word, web page, CSV, XML, and so on. So I will be using this YAML file as example to convert it into LaTeX table. And to do so, I will download and install application from this website. I will leave a link on site onto description. Sorry, not this one, this one. I will leave a link on this website into description to file application. Click on search and type YAML to LaTeX, and I need this YAML to LaTeX page. Click on download button and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I will be recording more videos on different YAML file converters and processors, and how to convert YAML files and how to create different LaTeX tables from different sources. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Everywhere we are downloading from Google Drive. And it's sometimes, normally when releasing file, Google Drive just scan all archives, but sometimes it cannot scan, so it's just giving you this error. Not error, just a message. But over some time, it's good thing that it's scanning files before releasing them. Alright, so I will click on downloaded archive, then double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And when I close this, I will see that I have application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I double click on it, and conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will select YAML file we would like to convert. So I will click to select input file, select my states YAML file, click on next step. On this step, I can select columns which I would like to be converted to YAML table. So I would like to have state name, state code, region, subregion, and so on. Click on next. Here I can preview my YAML file, or I can save result as a YAML, as a text file, right? Sorry, not YAML text. So it's asking me for name and location of the files. This name and location is okay, just click save. As it tells me that file has been saved. Now let's go to Overleaf and test this file. Overleaf.com. I have a test projects, and let's upload. I'll click on upload, select files, and I think I have in documents. If I sort by last modified date, I will have YAML to LaTeX. Alright, YAML to LaTeX table. Click on recompile, and we have perfect states, code, region, and subregion table generated. It's a little bit like subregion thing is too small, so this is this is a size, so let's give it 15, and maybe can I give code state code size of like 3. It's still, let's call it just code. So as you can see, I can change. I'm sorry, I can change name of column, size of columns, just optimize. But basically, what we did, we compiled our YAML file to LaTeX, nice looking LaTeX table without any efforts, without using any programming tool, and so on. So your file, for your own file, your LaTeX table will be different, but you can always change things, and because it's a LaTeX, right? It's text based formatting. We can change things, we can add new thing, and adapt it to our needs. Uh, that basically it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this or more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.